Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a target for practicing karate. That's the best way I can describe it. So with the lockdown in effect, my son is getting karate lessons via Zoom, which works surprisingly well, really well. I think it's a brilliant way they do it. The one drawback is that they do not have opponents across them when they're practicing certain hits and kicks and stuff like that. So the sensei showed a simple device he made. It's just a pole with a pool noodle on it so that the students can practice their hits and their kicks and get the distance right. So it's not a punching bag, it's not something that's meant to be actually hit or kicked. It's just something for them to practice the distance or the height of the kick or the length or whatever. So I am going to make him one for his lessons today, and I thought, let me make a video about it. Maybe you will find it also interesting. It's a very simple design. I'm going to quickly walk you through it, and then we'll build it quickly. So here's the pool noodle. I have a piece of conduit here, electrical conduit, which will fit inside the pool noodle. Slide over it like this. Then I will cut off a little piece of this wooden dowel, short piece like this. Okay, so the conduit will slide onto the wooden dowel, and then I will drill a hole in the bottom of the dowel, and let's try it again. So I will drill a hole in the bottom of the dowel and I will screw this into the hole. Then I got one of these like extended nuts, which I will weld onto this plate. So this part screws in here, so the wood will stand here, the wooden dowel screwed onto here, and then the conduit with the pool noodle will simply slide over it. And that's my design. That's a simple design. So it shouldn't take too long to quickly knock this out. I think I'm going to start with the welding so that I can spray paint this metal base. And then while the spray paint is drying, I can quickly cut the wooden dowels and everything to size and drill that holes and put all of that in. I'm just quickly going to find the center. This. Okay, I don't think that this metal should warp too much, but just in case, I decided to clamp the edges, well, the three I can clamp, so that when I weld it, it doesn't present any problems. I actually just had a thought. Um, Karate is practiced barefoot, and this point is quite sharp, so it's highly unlikely, but I don't want him to stub his toe against this point and maybe injure himself. So I think I'm going to round these points off. Not a big radius, just a little bit. Yes. This doesn't have to be exactly precise. It's just more of a guide, so I can try and get all four corners at least the same. Okay, I really like how that turned out. Now it's time to paint. Great stuff. The base plate is busy drying over there. So time to start with the upright part. Okay, I'm quickly going to cut the conduit and the dowel. And then the dowel I'm just going to cut, like I said, a little piece, just as much. Okay, great. The only thing that remains now is to assemble this. And then we'll be done. Score. Okay, so this is the basic idea. This part fits quite tightly in here. Which gives it a little bit of rigidness to it, but it's also a little bit flexible still. This part goes in here, like so, and then this part slides over there, and you have something that you can punch and aim for. It's quite nice actually, I think. So it's not going to fall over if you do tap it. I would call that a success. So for watching me build this little project. I hope you found it interesting. If you like these kind of videos and you enjoyed it and you learned something, then won't you please consider subscribing and turning the notifications on, then you will know when I upload another one of these. I would love to hear from you. Leave some comments, make some suggestions, tell me if you liked it. Until next time, go and make your best life. Thank you for watching.